Welcome to Iceland's Golden Circle, where you'll find some of the most stunning natural wonders on Earth: volcanic landscapes, powerful waterfalls, and the famous geyser, all within a day's drive from Reykjavik. My first stop was the Þingvellir National Park. It's about 45 minutes from Reykjavik. Þingvellir National Park in Iceland is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its stunning landscapes, historical significance as the sites of the world's oldest parliament, and unique geological features where North American and Eurasian tectonic plates meet. Þingvellir Lake is the Iceland's largest natural lake, known for its clear waters and stunning views. This beautiful park features Almagna Gorge. This is where the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates are pulling apart, creating dramatic rifts in the landscape. In this park, I feel a deep connection to both nature and history, as if I'm standing at the crossroads of time, where ancient volcanic forces shaped the land and the echoes of Iceland's first parliament still resonate in the air. It's a place that makes you pause, breathe, and truly appreciate the raw beauty of the earth. A charming 20-meter waterfall is located in Almagna Gorge and is a popular spot for visitors. The waterfall is particularly beautiful in winters when it freezes, but is stunning year-round as the water cascades over the rugged lava rocks. It's a great spot for photography, surrounded by dramatic landscapes of the park. Historical sites marking the location of the ancient Icelandic parliament, the Althing, which was established in 930 AD and is considered one of the oldest parliament. the Sifra Fissure is a unique and stunning underwater crag located in Þingvellir National Park. It's where the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates meet, creating a crystal clear gap in the Earth's crust that you can actually snorkel or dive through. Þingvellir Church is a small but historically significant church located in the heart of Þingvellir National Park. Originally built in 1859, it sits near the site of the Althing, Iceland's ancient parliament. The church is a peaceful and picturesque spot with a simple yet elegant design, offering a sense of tranquility amidst the park's dramatic natural surroundings. Þingvellir Lake is the largest natural lake in Iceland, covering about area of 84 kilometers. It sits in the Rift Valley between North American and Eurasian tectonic plates. The lake is also known for its crystal clear waters, which are fed by cold springs, creating some of the purest water in the world. I headed to my next destination, that was Geysers geothermal area. The Stoker Geyser is the main attraction, erupting every 5 to 10 minutes and shooting hot water up to 30 meters into the air. Surrounded by bubbling hot springs and steaming fumaroles, the area exudes a raw, otherworldly energy that highlights Iceland's volcanic activity. Watching Stoker erupt, I felt a rush of excitement and awe as the earth seemed to come alive, sending powerful jets of water soaring into the sky. My next destination was the Gullfoss waterfall. It's a stunning two-tiered waterfall located on Havita River. It drops a total of 32 meters into deep canyon, creating a spectacular display of power and beauty, often accompanied by rainbows on sunny days. Gullfoss, often called the Golden Falls, is not only the most famous waterfall along the Golden Circle, but also one of the Iceland's most iconic nature wonders. The surrounding area offers a stunning panoramic views, and on sunny days, the mist from the falls often creates vibrant rainbows, adding to the enchanting beauty of the location. Gullfoss is a must-see for anyone visiting Iceland, embodying the raw power and majesty of Icelandic nature. The sound of the water roaring through the canyon felt like a powerful heartbeat of the earth itself, and for a moment, I was completely lost in its beauty. A reminder of how nature has the power to both awe and ground us all at once. My last destination of the day was the Kerrit Crater Lake. It's a striking volcanic crater located along the Golden Circle route in Iceland. About 3,000 years old, this circular crater is filled with vivid blue water that contrasts beautifully with the surrounding red and black volcanic slopes. The lake's vibrant color comes from its mineral-rich waters, which is especially stunning against the stark, rugged landscape. Visitors can walk around the rim of the crater or descend to the lake's edge, offering different perspectives of this natural wonder. Kerrit is a captivating site offering a blend of geological history and striking beauty, making it a perfect stop along Iceland's Golden Circle. Iceland's Golden Circle, an unforgettable adventure filled with stunning waterfalls, erupting geysers, and breathtaking landscape. Keep exploring and stay amazed by the power of our world. Until I see you guys again, take care. Thank you.